Penetration testing. Penetration testing, often referred to as pen testing or ethical hacking, is a cybersecurity practice where security professionals simulate cyberattacks to identify and address vulnerabilities in computer systems, networks, and applications. The purpose is to assess the security of an organization's infrastructure and provide actionable insights to improve its overall cybersecurity posture. 1. Authorization. Penetration testing must be conducted with explicit authorization from the organization or individual responsible for the systems being tested. This ensures that the testing is legal and ethical. 2. Scope definition. Clearly define the scope of the penetration test, specifying the systems, networks, and applications that are within the scope of testing. This helps prevent unintended disruptions and ensures a focused assessment. 3. Planning. Develop a comprehensive penetration testing plan that outlines the goals, methodologies, and testing scenarios. Consider factors such as the rules of engagement, testing windows, and any constraints imposed by the organization. 4. Reconnaissance. Gather information about the target environment through passive and active means. This phase involves understanding the organization's infrastructure, network architecture, and potential points of entry for attackers. 5. Vulnerability analysis. Identify and analyze vulnerabilities in the target systems using a combination of automated tools and manual testing. This phase aims to discover weaknesses that could be exploited by malicious actors. 6. Exploitation. Attempt to exploit identified vulnerabilities in a controlled manner to understand the potential impact and validate their existence. This phase simulates real-world attack scenarios. 7. Post-exploitation analysis. Evaluate the results of the exploitation attempts, assess the effectiveness of security controls, and determine the potential risks to the organization. 8. Reporting. Create a detailed report that summarizes the findings of the penetration test. The report typically includes a list of vulnerabilities, their severity levels, and recommendations for remediation. It should be clear, actionable, and tailored to both technical and non-technical audiences. 9. Remediation assistance. Work with the organization to prioritize and address identified vulnerabilities. Provide guidance on implementing security controls and best practices to improve overall security. 10. Continuous improvement. Penetration testing is not a one-time activity. Regular testing helps organizations stay proactive in addressing evolving threats and maintaining a strong security posture. 11. Types of penetration testing. Different types of penetration testing include external testing from outside the organization, internal testing from within the organization, web application testing, wireless network testing, and social engineering testing.